Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be starting a new series of model car builds. I'm going to be starting with the Toyota Cressida. It's an Aoshima kit, which I really like. I'll be selling a few of these in my Etsy store. I'll pop the link below so you can have a browse through. Let's have a look in the box, shall we? As you can see, the boxes are really nice, very nicely printed. A few little details on the side here, showing what you can do with the kit. And the full instructions in Japanese and in English. The instructions are really quite straightforward actually, for quite a nice kit. They're really well put together. Shows you all out the setting up the wheels, etc. And gives you all colour codes, paint codes at the top here that you can use. This is all optional, you can do whatever colour you want really, do your own customisation. The chassis build is quite nice, quite nicely detailed underneath. And then you do have some optional extras here for like splitters and spoilers. Sometimes a lot of these kits come with different grills and different bumper options and things like that, seat options. They're really nice kits actually. Okay, let's have a look. I actually started on this kit. I actually put the spoiler on and the front splitter. I just couldn't help myself. Get all excited like a big kid. It's really nice. The actual finishing on the actual body is really nice. The body kits are nice. Nice detail on there, on the rear quarter, the badges. And I also put the tyres on the wheels, because they do actually come separate. And these actually were an actual 3-piece wheel, which is quite nice. You get the really deep dish. Got the wider ones for the rear, of course, and the front ones. You get the usual windows and your water slide kit with different graphics, number plates, really nice, and your headlights. Interior, you can do any colour you want, you can do black or you can do cream leather, whatever you want. And chrome parts. I like I was saying with the you get the extra customisable parts. You get your racing bucket seat, your different steering wheels like a Nardi steering wheel and a standard wheel, full interior. You get the different grills as well. You get the front and rear bumpers. Then I think there's the chrome inlays on there as well. Just find those. You know, the chrome inlays go in there, so they're going to look really nice. Chrome mirrors. So you've got some really nice chrome accessories there. There's the main chassis, so it's got some nice detail to it. All these spurs come off really nice. I'll be selling spur removal tools as well in my Etsy shop, so it just makes this a little bit easier and neater to actually take these off. You can take them right back, so you don't have any little rough bits left over. And then you have all the other parts there as well. You've got your dashboard, dash top, all the suspension parts. It's really nice. So there's some really good detail on these kits. So yeah, very nice. Nice little detailed kit. So in the next video I'm going to be starting building the actual chassis, putting all that together. And then I'll be doing the interior. I might even do this in a like a grey leather, I don't know yet. I might stick with black. Black's okay, but it can be a little bit boring sometimes on interiors, so I might do something a little bit more detailed. I'll be showing you the process of actually painting the body as well, how I do that. So hopefully you'll join me on that one. Should be coming up soon. and I hope you're going to enjoy this series. If you've liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.